Welcome back to Legally Screwed. I'm attorney Jeff Kaufman, and sitting next to me is one of my good friends, one of the funniest people I know, and somebody that I could sit with and just come up with the craziest crap that'll eventually get me kicked out of the practice of law.
Yes,
James John.
I am going to be the reason that you get kicked out of law.
Yeah.
Me.
Yeah. There'll be a lot of lawyers thanking you. Thank you. Would you like a steak? That's what we do. We do steak.
We do steaks.
Not good enough for lobster, but steak.
Steaks. There you go. Thank you, James.
We're not. Don't stay away from the tank. Why do we need to see living things before we eat it?
That's weird.
When did somebody go, hey, you know what? I want to see the lobster. I don't trust how old the lobster is.
I want to pick my own out.
I want to pick my own lobster. And that used to be a thing.
It used to be a big thing back in the day.
And now they have some tanks somewhere.
Uh-huh.
Like listen, I love this place.
Mm-hmm.
Love it. Morton's Steakhouse.
Oh.
Morton's Steakhouse is the best chain steak restaurant, I think, on the planet.
It's a good one.
Good.
It definitely is a good
really
one, man.
good. And they used to bring out your friend.
Mm-hmm.
And they'd have all the steaks, they'd have the cuts, and then they'd have the lobster. And the lobster was alive.
Yes, it was.
And I said, do me a favor, don't bring out the guy.
You would tell them.
I tell them beforehand, listen, I like it. Please don't bring out the guy.
I don't want to see it.
I don't want to see it. The same way I don't want you bringing Bessie out.
Mm.
You know,
That
I don't want to see the cow.
change how steakhouse works.
Yes.
They would bring out the cow.
They bring out that cow.
Yeah.
Everyone's ordering the fish. Salmon? You hate salmon.
I'd like to order. Could you send this to the cow?
Yeah.
I have to order.
Why is it
something.
okay for us to eat non-cute animals?
Because they're not cute. If it's cute, we can't eat it. We shouldn't eat it.
I mean, but cows are cute. Have you seen the little fat ones, like the dwarf ones?
Those are like Scottish,
Ding, 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 ding,
Scottish
ding.
cows. They're
Yeah.
like hairy.
Yeah.
Those are cute.
Oh my God.
Those are really cute.
But somebody's yum yum yum.
Num num num. Yeah.
Yeah, somebody's eating those.
Because they're supple.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're eating the cats. You're eating the dogs.
Eating the cats.
You eat the
and
mini cows.
Eating the mini cows.
The mini cows.
Yeah.
They taste like veal.
Yeah.
They don't.
I bet they taste delicious.
Oh,
Come on.
now I'm thinking that way. Now every time I see one of those cute cows, I'm going to go,
Bet it's delicious.
Delicious.
Hey, delicious.
delicious.
Jacob. Delicious.
Delicious. Now, it's just so weird how we decide to care about something
We pick
based
what we
on
care
the
about.
dumbest things.
Yes, you're right.
They're idiot issues we have now.
Mhm.
Oh, well, let's not protect this. We'll protect this. We'll protect this. Like California used to have a thing where you couldn't, I don't even know if it might still be viable. You couldn't ship snakeskin boots.
Really?
Yeah.
Because it was made from a snake?
Yes, because they considered it protected. And I said, when do we have to protect snakes?
Yeah. Why?
I mean, you had been down to the Everglades?
There's a lot of them.
Yeah,
Yeah.
They should just open a boot factory in the middle of the Everglades.
Amen.
They want to solve the snake problem. Put a boot factory in the middle of it and just send boats out.
Yeah.
Just
Have you
keep bringing
seen
them back.
The videos of the guys hunting the snakes?
Yeah.
What?
These things will eat you.
Yes.
Yes. And you.
Me. My
Yes.
size. Yes.
Yes, your size.
Let's go hunt one.
Num num.
Yeah. Yeah. Let's not.
Yeah, there you go.
Let's not do. Let's just stay
James
alive.
not.
Yeah, I'm not doing none of that, bro.
Yeah, no.
No.
No. I like the idea of the boot factory in the middle of the Everglades.
In the middle, in the swamp.
Just put an island
There you go.
right out there.
A
But then we need
sandbar.
guys who are making the boots.
Yes,
And
they
then
would
I'd
be.
have problems.
Yes, you would.
Because they get mad and they go, oh, it's hot out here. I said, no, I give you air.
Yeah, I'll give you some.
I mean,
AC.
and have you ever had python skin boots? They look
They
good.
look nice.
Because the scales are big.
Yes.
Not these little scales. They're big scales.
Now, your buddy Craig,
Yeah.
our favorite hillbilly attorney
In the
at law.
heart of Texas.
Now, he
Okay.
wears nice boots.
They're okay.
Okay, well, what are they made out of?
Some of them are snake.
Okay, and I know you have a pair of boots as well. You're very proud of.
Okay. He buys snakes from like the mall at 7-Eleven.
Okay.
No, I mean, I know where you got these boots.
Gotcha.
Got them in a store in Vegas. And I looked
Gotcha.
at them and I said, these aren't the best quality.
He didn't care. He liked them.
He liked them.
Gotcha.
So they're okay.
Mm-hmm.
I've gotten him better boots.
Okay.
Yeah. But he needs the S kickers.
He does.
He needs those.
He does.
He's from South Dakota, so he can't get too uppity with his boots.
He needs him to be rugged like he
Yeah.
is.
Craig likes to do things that are like uber manly.
I hadn't noticed.
But then he drinks like these foo-foo drinks.
I love that about Craig. We drink.
He tees off on us
Yes,
for
he does.
coffee drinks.
Yes.
And I'm going, dude, you drink Cosmopolitans and lemon drops.
Yeah.
I've been at a bar where the female bartender goes,
Is he serious? And you're like, yes,
okay,
ma'am.
he's serious.
He's serious.
And they're
Yes.
going, oh,
Oh.
you sure you're in the right club? I think he's not gay. he just likes these things.
He does like
he does-
cosmopolitans,
oh.
lemon drop drinks, anything foo-foo with the umbrella, he's in.
And he's a big guy.
He's
so
a
watching him
very
pick
big
up one of
guy.
these girly drinks, some have the stems on it,
Uh-huh.
Sipping off the stems. I'm like,
That's
that ain't gangster.
funny. No, it ain't gangster.
That ain't
That is
gangster.
not gangster. As a matter
That ain't
of
gangster.
fact.
But he contacts me one time. He goes, hey, Jeff, I'm going gator hunting. I'm like, what?
What?
He goes, yeah, it's going to be cool. I got a guy. It's a guide. He's going to take me out there. He goes, but we got to get tags. I'm going, what do you mean? He goes, you got to apply. And it's like a lottery, so you're not guaranteed to get them.
Wait a minute. People are fighting to do
Yes.
this. Okay.
You got to get
All right.
permits and tags.
Okay.
And you get so many tags and you can get so many gators with it. And he's like, well, I might not get it, so I need you to apply. Now, I'm a lawyer.
You are a lawyer.
And the question I ask is, well, hold on a second. If I get the tags, that means I got to be on the boat.
Ooh.
See, I thought this out.
Ooh, yeah, yeah.
And he goes, yeah. I go, well, yeah, of course. No, not of course.
No.
Not of course. No. I don't do anything where if I died, people wouldn't feel bad for me.
Because, yes.
What was Jeff, the
Yes.
Jewish attorney, doing? Hunting gator?
Yeah.
Idiot.
Yeah, you're absolutely
Idiot.
right. Yeah.
Idiot.
Yeah.
No. So I cut a deal with him. I'm like, here's the deal. I'm going to apply for these tags. But if I don't get the tags, it doesn't matter. And you get them. I get some of this skin to make boots out of.
Fair.
It sounded fair to me.
Fair.
So he goes out. I don't get the tags. In the middle of the night, I'm going, is he going to call me? About 5 a.m, I get this picture. And he's like, he's got his arms wrapped around this Jurassic Park looking thing. That's how big this gator was. And he's like, oh, it was amazing. It was great. It was great. I said, are we getting the skins? He goes, yes. So we get the skins back.
Okay.
And then we have to ship them to Texas to get them cut. And he goes, well, what color do you want? I go, oh, I like this color. It's champagne or something like that. And he goes,
He makes a face.
no, you're not getting these. And I'm going, no, it's going to be a good looking
That
color,
sounds
man.
nice.
I looked at the color. He goes, no. So he sends his out, gets his colored. I send out, get my color.
Gotcha.
My boots come in and he's like, man, I should have chose that.
Sounds like Craig. Yeah.
Man, that looks good.
That looks nice.
And get me one of those blooming onions too.
And I want a cosmopolitan to drink.
All right.
Yeah.
What's the question?
We got a really good question today, my friend.
Okay.
Because we've all had those neighbors that
Delicious.
that overstep, right? We can say that, right? This is what this is. It comes from Houston. All right.
Houston.
Now, my neighbors run a Tesla charging cable out of their second-story window over my assigned parking spot. It's a fire hazard, blocks my space, and management won't do a damn thing about it. Even after months of photo evidence and my complaints, the tenants are aggressive, and the office, they've just backed off after being cursed out by them. What do I do? Ooh.
Well, I would refer this to a taking a dump in a litter box scenario.
I know what that
When
means.
your neighbor does something that ain't right, like leaving a litter box outside the house, bad stuff's going to happen.
That's right.
Now, just so we're clear, I'm not advising you to commit a crime.
There you go. There you go.
But I have never seen a situation like this that didn't wind up with somebody not committing a crime.
Correct.
Because if nobody does something for you, eventually you're going to do something yourself.
That's correct. Want to send a message?
I don't want to give you any ideas.
Don't give them any ideas, please.
Okay. Here's the deal. It's legally, it's affecting your quiet enjoyment over the use of your property.
Correct.
Okay. So what you can start doing is you can notify the building that you're going to hold a certain amount of your money back in trust until you take care of this.
Okay.
This is what this cost me. I'm not allowed to use my parking spot. This parking spot I value at this much money. Until you fix the situation, I'm going to hold it back because I'm going to consider what you're doing a constructive eviction, which means
Ooh.
I'm not benefiting from a certain piece of my property.
Mm-hmm.
There's other definitions, but this is the easiest way in this situation to define
Mm-hmm.
constructive eviction as it applies to this one. Now, if you want to get creative,
Mm-hmm. Because you can just walk up to the charging cable, right?
yeah, I assume
You know what doesn't go inside a Tesla?
Gas.
Water. We're horrible human beings.
I'm going to be straight with you people.
Okay. All right.
If you screw with somebody long enough, bad stuff's going to happen.
Yep.
And I don't care how entitled you are. If you're hanging a charging cord outside your window, you know you're not, this ain't right.
This ain't right.
You're just doing it because you're an a-hole.
Mhm.
Oh, well, I care about myself. So I'm not going to give an answer to this guy. The constructive eviction, that's going to work. But you are inviting
you are.
bad stuff.
Yes, you are.
When you put somebody else in a bad position.
Correct.
And when you don't care, what are you going to do?
Okay.
Do you really want to? You want to find out?
Okay.
Want to find out?
Okay.
And I've had people who do certain things to me. Now, I grew up in an age where we didn't have cell phones or cameras or anything else like that, where if somebody did something to you, there are like 8 things that come to mind that I could do to this person. I'm not saying I'm devious, but that's why I became a lawyer, because I have to find out better outlets to solutions than
Correct.
Where my brain wants
Legal
to take me.
solutions.
Legal solutions.
Yeah.
Because it's Texas. There's always roadkill somewhere.
Could you imagine?
I can tell you one right now. You open that door, the smell of dead possum will change the way you do things.
That'll ruin your day.
Yeah.
By the way,
Dead possum is not good.
No.
And there's like armadillo.
Armadillo.
This is Texas. There's always an armadillo on the side of the road.
That's correct.
I'm not telling you to stick an armadillo in this car.
No.
Would be funny though. But I'm not telling you to do it. Pop, pop, pop. I'm not giving you that legal advice, but dead armadillos are funny.
Gotcha.
You know, they had that look on their face. You know, I opened my door and in Tesla, they have those nice seats.
They sure do.
Could you imagine open the door and there's this big armadillo in your front seat with the tongue sticking out?
You would have to change that seat.
I'd be going, you know what? Let's get the F-150 back. My environmental consciousness has just left the building.
Oh my God.
With the dead armadillo soul.
Mm-hmm. It's hard to get the smell of death out of your car, by the way.
Yeah, not good.
No.
You can't.
No, you can't.
No. There's not enough Febreze in the world to do that. But but you have to understand, when you do bad stuff like this and you take it to a jury, or let's say if it goes to a jury.
Yeah.
And I doubt it ever will, or the police is going to come. And let me replay the dead armadillo moment for you when you call the cops.
Mm-hmm.
My neighbor has been doing this and he stuck this dead armadillo in my car.
He's going
to. And this is the look of the police officer. He walks up to the car, he opens it.
Yeah.
It's like a dead armadillo.
Yeah.
Can you fingerprint it? No.
That's what a cop.
Well, you obviously don't care. Could you get a detective? I'll fill out the report.
Yeah.
And we'll be getting back to you.
Yeah.
You're going to talk to my neighbor? Sure. Sir? Yes, how can I help you, officer? Your neighbor is claiming that you put a dead armadillo in his room. I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, sir.
Case closed.
So you're not going to arrest him? We're going to file this with the police and we'll get back to you.
Yeah, we'll get back to you.
Yeah. You're not getting gotten back to.
No.
Nobody's getting back to you.
No one cares.
Party's over.
Yeah.
Dead armadillo, F-150, problem solved.
Problem solved. What you have taught people today is if you have a problem, Ford is your answer.
No punch in the face.
That's right.
Go straight dead armadillo. You know?
We've done it.